This is an orientation video for CAIA Chartered Alternative Investment Analyst. Recently we have observed there are a lot of inquiries who are eager to know about the course. We feel appropriate to discuss the details of CAIA in order you to take an effective decision whether you want to opt this course in the future. When the institute was formed, how the program look like, what are the exam formats, what are the exam windows, and what kind of preparation and how many hours of study is required to comprehend this course and get the better results in examination. CAIA Association was formed in 2002, and then it started becoming a talk of the town, and now in 2019 you can see there are a lot of students who has qualified as members, and there are a lot of student members who are heading towards the membership. CAIA is a very interesting program. It has two levels which you can see, level 1 and level 2. Level 1 starts with introductions of business ethics. Actually, we follow the same ethics as per the CFA Institute. So CFA Institute standards, integrity, professionalism, integrity of the capital markets, and other professional code of conduct we follow. It's a very interesting topic to start with. Then we move to the next topic is introduction to alternative investments. Alternative investments are growing in the world because we always have a comparative view of traditional investments versus alternative investments. So imagine if you put your money in a bank who is regulated by a central bank, because the risk factors are minimized, so your returns are also minimized. But when you go to an alternative market which are less liquid but more profit oriented and less transparent, so you have more opportunities to make money. So first of all, you should know what is an alternative investment, and then after knowing these investments, how to quantify and what are the mathematical and quantitative tools in order to enhance your predictive value in terms of statistics by understanding the normal distributions, different patterns of distribution of data, chi-squares, mean, median, mode, standard deviations, and a couple of other typical statistics tools we will study in this course, which makes this course really effective and interesting. Then one by one we are going to start the type of alternative investments. So we'll start with the real assets. You will be explained what is a real asset and how it is built, what is the mechanism, or how can we get better yields out of the real assets. Then we'll move to the real estates investments in terms of timber, raw land, in terms of commercial and residential properties. In United States, we have a huge market for mutual funds, hedge funds. These are the sources of multiplying your money through different other alternative ways, with a lot of quantitative models along with these discussions we are going to do. Structuring is a very important term which financial industry we use day-to-day basis. So you should learn how to structure a product, or you should develop a strategy for structuring. So a mix of equity, hybrid equity, you mix of liability, debts, that's to get a better cost of capital and a better value of your investment. Structuring will be really interesting part of this discussion. Of course, risk management is really important when it comes to financial industry. So risk management will be focused. We'll see some case study, we'll see some scenarios where you will learn how to assess the risk, how to identify, how to prioritize, and in overall how you are going to manage the risk. So this is the structure of level 1. Generally there are 7 units, so ideally you can spend a time approx 12 if there is a 3-hour exam, so 36 hours for a reading of the book is, I think, quite satisfactory. It can be plus minus according to the caliber and the previous education of the candidates. Plus we can add the practice sessions and then you can take your mock exams. So ideally, as there are 2 exams windows in the year, you can see what's the next window coming, but 6 months is quite enough and decent time in which you can prepare your course very nicely. Part 2 is more about advanced version of real asset, commodities, markets, asset allocation, private equity, and advanced structuring products. So content are very interesting of chartered alternative investment analyst. So you can see the exam formats for level 1 and level 2. In level 1 we have 200 multiple choice questions, while in level 2 we have 100 multiple choice question and 3 structure type questions, which of course we will explain you after reading the necessary text. We'll do the practice sessions where you're going to solve a lot of questions, and it will make you sure that you are ready to go for the exams. Exams windows are in September and March. Ideally you should plan it in advance so you can book your exams and get your exam ticket. Same time you can prepare your course. Generally, this is a question that can you give your exams outside of United States? Of course. They have a tie-up with Pearson VUE, which is an examination center company, which is almost everywhere in the world. So of course, you can go to Pearson VUE and give your exams. So a lot of people compare CAIA with CFA and they ask like what's the difference. If you are a professional and you are focused on getting the alternative investment tools and techniques and knowledge, then of course you are not interested to study economics, accounting, which is core subjects in CFA level 1 and 2. You just want to study your concerned areas, then in that scenario CAIA is the best option to go for. But if you have ample time, you have a bit of relaxed period, you don't have other kind of commitments, then of course you can cover the 3 levels of CFA as well. That's all your choice. What we do is when you come to us, we do a bit of assessment about your job profile, about your previous education, and then we advise you accordingly which course is better for you. I hope this video will enlighten your knowledge and it will make you easy to take an effective decision about your course. In case if you are looking for additional information, please do not hesitate to contact us.